I didn't bring my measuring tape because I'm just looking at the age of tracks. I'm pretty sure these are tracks that we're interested in. I didn't bring my measuring tape anyway, so the stride length is pretty crazy on these. I'm 6'2". Check this stride out. It's this foot. Try that again. Anyway, good luck. I just came back to get the measurements, so this looks like about a 4-foot stride. So, just the heel of that guy, which is really hard to see, but these are fairly close to my size prints. I have a 10.5 shoe. These are about a 12, almost 13-inch track. But my stride, they have a 48-inch stride. My comfortable stride, this is kind of a long stride. I'll get a measurement of that, but geez, they're like more than twice my stride. I'm just gonna line up my heel with the end of the ruler there and take a normal stride, just so I don't have to move the ruler. I'm going a different direction, but I just want to show you my normal stride length. I'd say, I'll retake that and give it the benefit. That's too long. There, that is a comfortable stride for me. About 28-inch. And I think the average person is something like 22. I'll have to look it up again. Beautiful. Nice Zeiss lens. That looks good now. Show you what I'm going to film with the drone. That's this guy. Let's get on the other side of this guy. Kind of starts a ways back. up with the big stride again. Let's see, to left, right, left, right, left. Anyway. Cooperate. Okay, that heel to that heel, it's 52 inches. So on and so on. And that print again is about 11 and a half, 12 inches long.